Okay, hi boys and girls. I'm going to show you how we are going to set this up using the Mickey Mouse strategy. So I have two fractions here that you can see. I have 2/3 and 1/4. And above the 2/3 I have a circle, and above the 1/4 I have a circle too. Okay, those are the Mickey Mouse ears. What I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply going across. Now watch where I'm going to multiply. I'm going to take my 3 and I'm going to multiply it going diagonal to the 1. So I'm going to do 3 times 1 is 3. And I'm going to put it in the circle here. Okay? Then I'm going to take the 4 here at the bottom, the denominator, and I'm going to multiply that going diagonally times the 2. So 4 times 2 is 8. And then I'm going to put the 8 in this Mickey Mouse ear. So what that leaves me is two numbers that I can now compare. And I know that 8 is larger than 3, so I want the mouth to eat the bigger one. Okay, that's the Mickey Mouse strategy. So let's try another one. Let me go here. Let's try another one here. Okay, so this time I have 3/5 and 1/2. So I'm going to get my marker. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger this time. And I'm going to compare 3/5 to 1/2. So I'm going to start here with the 5 in the denominator, and I'm going to go across in a diagonal and multiply that times 1. 5 times 1 is 5. I'm going to put that here. And then I'm going to go over here to this denominator, and I have 2. And I'm going to multiply that times my 3 going diagonally. So I almost kind of like make an X here, and that shows me how I'm going to multiply. So 2 times 3 is 6. And I'm going to write a 6 in this circle. So now I'm going to compare my two numbers that are in the Mickey Mouse ears. So I have a 6 here and a 5 here. So I know that 6 is bigger than 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my mouth wants to eat the bigger number, wants to eat the 6. That tells me that 3/5 is larger than 1/2. Okay, let's try one more. Here's, oh gosh, look how small this is. I hope you can see. Let's see if I can make it a little bit bigger. Come on, there we go. All right, so now I have two fractions. I have 4/8 and 2/4. So here I'm going to start at the 8. I'm going to circle it. And I'm going to multiply it going diagonally up. And I'm going to say 8 times 2 equals 16. And I'm going to put my 16 here above this fraction. Then I'm going to do 4 times 4. So I'm going to circle my 4. I'm going to multiply it going diagonally, 4 times 4, and I'm going to get a 16. Wait a second. If they're both 16, that means that these fractions are equal. Okay? So now what I want you to do, I want you to go and try a few on your own. I think I'm only going to give you 2 for starters, and I want you to try 2 of them on your own. All right, boys and girls? Later.